Business logic vulnerabilities. What are business logic vulnerabilities? Business logic vulnerabilities are vulnerabilities in an application's design and implementation that allow an attacker to elicit undesired behavior. This allows attackers to possibly use legitimate functions to achieve a harmful objective. Most of the time, these problems translate because people are not aware of how to safely handle or plan that these unusual application situations. Logic faults are frequently undetectable to anyone not deliberately seeking them because they aren't normally exposed through normal application use. On the other hand, an attacker may exploit behavioral peculiarities by interacting with the application in ways that the developers weren't expecting. One of the primary functions of business logic is to enforce the rules and limitations set when the application or capability is designed. Business rules specify how the application should respond when a specific circumstance occurs. This includes prohibiting users from doing things that harm the business or do not make sense. Logic flows can allow attackers to get around these rules. For example, they may be able to complete a transaction without going through the planned purchasing sequence. In some circumstances, invalid or missing validation of user-supplied data may allow users to make arbitrary changes to transaction-critical values or submit illogical input. By providing unexpected values in server-side logic, an attacker can potentially reduce the application to perform something it isn't supposed to. Logic-based vulnerabilities are often quite diverse and are frequently customized for the application and its operation. Identifying them frequently necessitates some human knowledge, such as the awareness of the business sector or an attacker's intentions in a specific environment. This makes automated vulnerability scanners harder to identify. As a result, logic defects are a popular target for bug bounty hunters and manual testers. Examples of business logic vulnerabilities: excessive trust in client-side controls, failing to handle unconventional input, making flawed assumptions about user behavior, domain-specific flaws, providing an encryption oracle. Risk factors. The likelihood of business logic issues is entirely dependent on the conditions. You will need to assess the threat agents who could exploit the case and if they would be detected. Again, a thorough understanding of the business is required because the vulnerabilities are a supported application component. They are relatively easy to find and attack without specific tools or procedures. Business logic flaws are frequently the most serious regarding effects as they are linked to a company's operation. For practical, refer to the following website as shown on the screen.